doing that, bro? Like, what was the reason, man? Say, man decided to run me up like 3 times, bro. Like some drivers, I just don't know. I don't know if actually some people are getting paid so that they can make the road to become danger for another people, bro. Yo, but this is so crazy. I don't know. But please let me know in the comment section what do you think. And if this is your first time to be on my YouTube channel, you can hit the subscribe button if you like watching my videos, and you like the video, at least drop your comment. I really want to know what you think about the video. So let's keep going. Look at this one. Like how on hell on earth, bro, will you overtake someone? Like you already finished overtaking him. Instead of you to go in front, you are still brake checking that person. Like if like brake checking was the idea, why can't you be at the back, bro? But you overtake that man and start brake checking him. You know, bro. Some people are crazy out there.
Go ahead, look. I got an idea. Go ahead. Look. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yo. like delaying the whole traffic just because of an attitude. Bad attitude. Specific traffic made and safe. This one. Look at this one.
The truck's packed up a decent amount, so Friday.
Yo.
Impact detected.
Like what was the reason? Like this is what I was saying. Like you are trying to get into another lane and all of a sudden you are brake checking.
You have 35 minutes left to get draw for Taylor Swift tickets. Go to chfi.com right now. Get your ticket. The jackpot, by the way, is at $213,000. Good luck.
The Pooja and Gurdeep Show.
On 98.1 CHFI.
Broadway's Christmas music station. Okay, this is a bit of a spicy one. If you think that your partner is up to no good, but there's nothing.
What are you doing?
This is what happens when you are using a Google map. He might be using a Google map.
Celebration online just so something had been
Ay.
Puta, ¿qué pasó?
Tire.
¿Esa llanta de quién es?
Yo no sé
See
quién
that?
es,
That
pero...
was loose tire, bro.
Oh, pues.
Are they road raging, bro? Like, like the car in front is trying to do something, bro. Just not police. I don't know. for a
Hey, how the fuck count?
Bro, be on your lane. This woman on the cell phone decided to cut in my lane without looking.
Use the left lane to take the Sandy Boulevard ramp, then continue straight onto Northeast Sandy Boulevard. Oh my
God, dude. Jesus Christ!
I'm like, yo.
¿Qué hace? Mira, mira, mira eso, mira eso.
Yeah. Like they want to go with everything at the same time, bro. Overloaded pickup truck. Yeah. What? A police truck? Yo.
The rather foolish custom of addressing one another as comrade. This was to be suppressed. There had also been a very strange custom, whose origin was unknown, of marching every Sunday morning past the board skull, which was nailed to a post in the garden. This
Yo. Like what the hell? Was he trying to overtake like that? Yo, I have never seen a driver overtaking like that. Let him go, bro. As long as there's no severe damage, let him go. Yeah, bro, thanks for watching the video till the end. So if you enjoy watching my video, like you feel like it's informative, like you feel the information in the video, please let me know under the comment section, and please let me know what you think about the video, like the reaction, any other thing. Please let me know, so I will learn from from the advice, because since this is a new channel,